It's happy hour time and I love my tequila. So we have here spicy tequila and we're gonna make for you guys today spicy tequila pineapple drink. And we call this at our restaurant Code Zero. So let's get started here. We have a glass that I have agave that I'm gonna put just the agave down on one side of it. Instead of doing the rim, right, we're gonna do the side. I've mixed here jalapeno and sea salt. So this is jalapeno powder. I'm gonna add this in my Amazon storefront so you guys can purchase it yourselves at home. And here I'm gonna do in our shaker, ice. Perfect. We have our spicy tequila. We're gonna do 2 ounces of that. We're gonna do a ½ ounce of agave. One ounce of lime juice. And then we're gonna do 4 ounces of pineapple juice. And shake this up. Pour this right in here. That looks amazing. We're gonna garnish it with some fresh pineapple. I already cut a little slit. Put that right there. Cheers. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon storefront.